In this video we will take a look at the maintenance, more specifically how to clean the barrel. This type of maintenance you do more often, possibly even after every game if you want to. You don't have to, however. I would say once a month is perfectly fine. After 2-3 games you can clean the barrel. And then we will have a separate video showing you how to maintain the gun more in depth. That one you should do probably yearly, maybe after half a year, if you use the gun extensively. Now let's take a look at the simple one. So, before you start maintenance, make sure that there is no magazine inside. If you have it there, just take it out, put it aside, and also we will see if there is a BB inside, but since there is no magazine, not a problem, we will just push it out. We will use the maintenance kit, the NOVRITSCH one, because we already have everything we need inside. Nice and compact cleaning rod, which you can take anywhere. We have some cleaning cloth, and also we have all the rubbing alcohol and different types of oils, grease, and all that. So we will assemble our cleaning rod. We don't need a super long one, it's just a pistol. And also we will prepare our cleaning cloth. I'm gonna fold it once and cut about 1 centimeter wide stripes that will fit into the barrel nicely. I don't think the pistol or the barrel will be too dirty, so I'm just gonna make 3. Maybe you will need more, depending on how long has it been since you cleaned it last time. Put it in the cleaning rod and let's get the rubbing alcohol out. But first, we have to release the hop-up tension. If you are using heavy BBs, the hop-up is pushing a bit more onto the BB. If we would jam the cleaning rod in, it can happen that it gets stuck, or you could possibly damage the bucking if you are not careful. By releasing the tension on the bucking, we can prevent this from happening. So just turn it a few times to the left to release the tension, and we will lock the slide back. Now we are ready to clean the barrel. Just put a little bit of alcohol on the cleaning rod or the tissue. Just like that, and I'm gonna wipe the excess on the remaining piece of cleaning cloth to not have too much inside. We don't need too much. And now gently push it into the barrel and rotate the cleaning rod. Once you feel the bucking, don't put too much pressure on it. If it doesn't work, if you feel like you might damage something, just release the tension on the hop-up a bit more. And we had a BB inside, and now I can already see the tip of the cleaning rod, so I'm gonna make sure to wipe this area pretty well, because there is the bucking, and we know that the most important part of a gun is the bucking. And now I'm gonna let it go out completely, and now I can pull it out again. As you can see, this gun is pretty clean. There is a little bit of stuff inside, which is certainly not what we want. So just to make sure, I'm gonna run it through one more time to make it nice, clean, and accurate. A little bit of alcohol, wipe the excess alcohol, put it in, rotate, and now I can see the rod. Gonna make sure the bucking is nice and clean. Run it through there a couple of times, and now we can see that the patch came out clean. And that's pretty much it. That's your regular maintenance. You can do this quite often. Don't forget to put your TDC hop-up back into place, so when you start shooting again, your BBs are not dropping all the time. And now the pistol is ready to go. If you want to maintain it further, if you want to get in, we have a separate video for that, and you can do that as well.